Are you tired of using a plain and boring keyboard that doesn't bring any excitement to your work or play? Look no further, because a cyberpunk mechanical RGB Lightning keyboard is the ultimate solution for you. It's the perfect keyboard to level up your gaming and coding skills. With every keystroke, you'll feel a rush of adrenaline that will have you on the edge of your seat. The mechanical keyboards available in the market today can be pretty expensive, with prices ranging from $50 to a staggering $1,000, which can be quite a burden. Believe it or not, I was able to get my hands on a high-quality mechanical keyboard for just $30. Are you wondering how I managed to achieve this feat? Well, the secret is simple. All you need to do is build your own mechanical keyboard. To start building your own mechanical keyboard, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the various components required, including the base, upper cover, PCB board, electronic components, key switches, keycaps, positioning board, and more. If you are new to this field, designing Gerber file yourself can be quite challenging, but don't worry, I have a solution for you. Head over to the open source platform github.com, where you'll find a vast collection of keyboard solutions suitable for your needs. On this website, maker and handicraft enthusiasts can browse through various shapes and types of mechanical keyboard designs, along with their production files. Best of all, they are all open source, so you can choose from any keyboard you like without any limitations, as long as it's not for commercial purposes, of course. Personally, I was on the hunt for a wireless mechanical keyboard that was more portable than wired keyboards, and I found the perfect project in this page index. After much research, I finally decided to go with the PCB Gerber that had the ESP32 chip built in. This chip has gained immense popularity in the maker community, thanks to its cost effectiveness and its ability to support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, making it perfect choice to bring any wireless mechanical keyboard idea to life. The best part is that the ESP32 chip is readily available for any purchase online. It functions just much like Arduino microcontroller and uses the same Arduino IDE, and it is compatible with many Arduino libraries, making it incredibly user-friendly. What's more, despite costing less than other similar chips on the market, the ESP32 boasts powerful functions that are truly remarkable. In my opinion, it's hands down one of the best chips available today. It's finally time to bring your design to life and produce the PCB board. Whenever I need to get a PCB board made, I always turn to Elecrow. They offer high-quality PCB production and can offer you bring your designs to life. And there's the best part. You can even sell your designs through their platform. Currently, Elecrow is running an amazing promotion for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. For just $9.9, you can get 5 PCBs and they'll be ready in 4 to 5 days. It's an incredible deal that you won't want to miss. I'll leave the website link below. Moving on to the electronic part. I always begin by downloading the bill of materials. With the list in hand, I can quickly and easily search for the required part on AliExpress. Once I found everything on my list, I simply add them to my shopping cart and check out. After patiently waiting for nearly 15 days, the necessary components for my mechanical keyboard and finally arrived. I have the PCB board, the ESP32 chip, the switches, keycaps, stabilizer, and finally, else I need to start building my dream keyboard. And now, the moment of truth. Let's start building our mechanical keyboard. The first step is soldering. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little bit of practice and care, it's a skill that anyone can master. And the best part? Soldering your own components can actually save you a lot of money. I was finished with the soldering and ready to move on to the next step. Next, it's time to set the key switches in place. This is where you can really make your own mechanical keyboard. Choose the switches that feel the best for you. Whenever you prefer satisfying clicky feel or something more tactile, there are countless options available to fit your individual taste. Once they're in place, solder them firmly into the back of the board. Now it's time to focus on the aesthetics of the keyboard. Keycaps can really make or break the overall look of the board, so take some time to choose the ones that you like the best. In my case, I went with some colorful keycaps that really make the keyboard pop. I was so excited to finally download the program and see my keyboard in action. The RGB lights came and it was amazing. But not all of the lights were working. I had to figure out why. After hours of debugging and testing, I finally got it to work perfectly. The clicking sounds of the key switches were music to my ears. I was so satisfied to type on the keyboard that I have built with my own 2 hands. Although the keyboard was functional, It still looked a bit unfinished without a proper shell. It was time to add the shell to give it more polished look and feel. To add a unique touch to my keyboard, I decided to 3D print the base and use matte black acrylic frame. By adding my YouTube account on the acrylic shell, I made my keyboard even more personalized and unique to me. Now I'm turning to Elecrow to bring my custom keyboard to life. Luckily, they have a promotion for mechanical keyboards. They offer acrylic cutting and 3D printing services that you can choose from. You can click special offers for mechanical keyboards button to access their customized services, which offers a variety of options such as layers, dimensions, PCB quantities, design, thickness, and more. Simply choose the option that suits your preferences and they'll bring your ideas to life. It's been 5 days and I finally received the 3D printing base and acrylic plate to enhance my mechanical keyboard. Take a look. This is the first mechanical keyboard I've made by myself and it's absolutely amazing. How much did it cost? Well, let me calculate. I've spent $9.9 on the PCB, $4.9 on the 3D printed case, $1 for the acrylic plate, and $15 for the electronic components. So the total cost is $30.8. Time is also a cost. I spent 6 hours on soldering, which wasn't too difficult. Debugging the hardware took me 8 hours, while the key switches, caps, and shell assembly took approximately 1 hour. Purchasing all the necessary components online took around 16 hours. In total, it took me around 31 hours to complete the project. The total cost of the project was around $30, but the time cost was quite high, so if you are really into DIY projects, building a mechanical keyboard yourself can be challenging. In general, it can end up costing more than buying a pre-made mechanical keyboard online. Personally, I enjoy the DIY process and find it rewarding. Instead of plain back keyboard, I decided to 3D print a white top cover and incorporate a Raspberry Pi computer, making it really cool mechanical keyboard. That's the beauty of building something yourself. You can customize it to your likings. Plus, the experience can improve your soldering and building skills, which can be useful for future DIY projects. So if you're up for it, give it a try and see what you can create. Thank you for watching, everyone. I will be sharing the related files and maker forms such as Instructables and Hackster. Feel free to share your own ideas with us, and big thanks for the creators of the open source materials. If you enjoyed my video and you want to tackle your own DIY project, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and stay up to date with my channel. Keep an eye out for more content coming soon. Peace out.